Good morning, children. Now we'll continue the chapter. Hangsi site of South. Hangsi, the Paleolithic site in Karnataka, situated on the land between the river Krishna and Bhima. The Paleolithic people of Hangsi made hand axes, scalpers, knives, boras, etc. from locally available limestone. The region had several springs which possibly supplied water to the people who lived there. This site also suggests that during the dry season, people camped near water sources and hunted large animals that came for drink. During wet season, they spread out in the region and dependent on the plants and small prey. So, dear children, you can see the picture over there in your book, Scrappers. Hangsi sites of South. Through this site, we come to know that how the early men settled over there. Where are the regions, particular regions are there where these early men have been settled. Like you can see the regions have several springs which possibly supplied water to the people who live there. So, where they have settled, that is Paleolithic site, that is Karnataka, situated on the land between the river Krishna and Bhima. So, in this site, through this site, we also come to know about that. This site also suggests that during the dry season, people camped near the river side. As I have already explained you that these people that slowly they become the nomad. Nomad means they travel from one place to another in search of food. So in the same manner, when the these animals and birds, they move in the during the season where they find the water out there. The same way this early man also used started moving from one place to another, and they settled the place over there near the river. So near the river they find the animals also, because the animals they also come over there to drink water during the dry season, and at the same time they find the hunting easy over there. You can see the picture given over there, what kind of tools they use to use for the animals, to hunt the animals, sharp tools. Now comes the Mesolithic age. Mesolithic means the middle stone age. In the middle stone age, that is began while the climate grew warmer at the end of the Paleolithic around 12,000 BCE. The favorable warm climate led to the growth and the increase in the variety of the plants, and this turn favored human survival as a hunting and gathering become easier. So the warm climate that is favorable for even hunting and even to settle out over there, they find it easy for them, that is a favorable climate for them. Under good climatic condition with a plenty of plants and increased population of animals, Mesolithic age which began about 12,000 BCE and lasted up to 10,000 BCE. Mesolithic remains in India have been found in several places such as the parts of western and the central India. So these are some of the parts over there. You can underline this. So these are some of the parts where you can find the Mesolithic remains. So please, wherever I say, you underline over there. Including Mysore in Karnataka, much of the knowledge about their way of left have been derived mainly from three sources, that is tools, caves, shelters and cave paintings. So these are some of the places over there where we can find the Mesolithic, that where how the at the age of Mesolithic, at the age of middle age, how the early man lived over there. Through this remains we can find out the information about that, what kind of tools they used to at the time. They now the tools earlier they have developed their gripping power. Okay, so now they started hunting. With the hunting they realize how what kind of different tools they have to use for that, like for digging the earth, what kind of tools they need to use, for hunting, for protecting themselves, what kind of tools they have to use. So this slowly the development of the tools and the development of the brain developed at that time. So early man continued to the use of the tools and the implements, but gradually improved them. Apart from that, Mesolithic man made smaller tools called microlithics. Microlithics are the smaller we can say that. Micro means small. These are usually stone blades, that is 1 to 5 centimeter, and can be fixed on the wood or bone and used as spears, knives and arrows. Bow and arrow were used to kill fast moving animals, flying birds and the distance animals. The tools of this period reflect the change in the food habits. So now they have developed the different tools like arrows and all that they used to hunt birds and the distance animals. Food. Now in the Mesolithic period, what kind of food they used to eat? They observe the importance of seeds when it is placed under the ground. So in the food, how the food changes, the early men before the discovery of fire, they used to eat the raw food, but after the discovery of fire they started got the taste of cooked food. So now what happens, now the pvc we have seen over there the hangsi sites where the early men used to settle near the river, so they started learning the agriculture also over there. They come to know the value of seeds. When they throw the seeds, again the seeds germinate. So they come to know the value of seeds, that again we can germinate from these seeds. That means we can grow again the food from this. Underground water, and then within a short time new plant came out. This led in the development of agriculture. During Mesolithic age, men came to know about the magic link between the seeds, soil, water and plant. That is magic link between the seed, soil and water. What is seed, what is soil and what is water? How the seeds we can develop in the soil, we can grow the seeds again in the soil and we can water that and again it will germinate. He also started taking seeds from the grass like plants of wheat, barley, rice, etc. and add them in his diet schedule. Vegetables and fruits were known to him since long time. Fish became the important menu in this age. Why the fish became? Because they started settling themselves near the river. So they started settling themselves near the river. So riverside they find the fish over there. They started fish over there, taking the fish from the river, and when they started cooking the fish they find a good taste for that. So now slowly even the fish they include in their diet. Rock paintings. There we have learned about the cave paintings. Now this is a rock painting. Rock painting is what actually? Where, what kind of on the rock they used to do the painting. The cave and the rock painting found in India generally belong to the Mesolithic period. The colors were made from the natural rock, minerals and available materials. So at the early time, what kind of, they don't have any kind of chemicals over there to make the colors, different types of paint something. So they use the rock and the other material to make the colors. So dear children, by this you can understand that